Want to create your own Minecraft currency mod? I'll show you how to make the best mod to add custom in-game currency to your Minecraft world. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Set up your Minecraft modding environment. First, you need to set up your Minecraft modding environment. Download Minecraft Forge or Fabric, depending on your preference, to start creating your mod. Make sure to have the Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your computer to run the modding tools. Step 2. Create your currency item. Now, let's create your custom currency. Using Minecraft Forge, define a new item that will serve as your currency. This could be anything from coins to gems. In your mod files, you'll need to define the texture, name, and properties of this new item. Step 3. Define currency functions. Next, write the code that gives the item functionality. You'll need to define how the currency works, like how players can collect, spend, or trade it. For example, you can set up a function where the currency can be used to purchase items from NPCs or other players. Step 4. Implement a currency UI system. Let's make things interactive. Add a custom currency GUI, graphical user interface. This will display the player's currency balance and allow them to interact with it in-game. Use Minecraft's GUI system to create a simple window that shows the current currency count and updates when it changes. Step 5. Add economy system and trading mechanics. To take your mod to the next level, implement a full economy system. You can create shops, NPC traders, and even integrate with other mods that use currency. Think about adding features like price fluctuation, special purchases, or selling items for currency. Step 6. Test and polish your mod. Once you have your currency and economy system set up, it's time to test. Launch Minecraft with your mod installed and make sure everything works as expected. Test the transactions, currency displays, and ensure there are no bugs or crashes. Polish your GUI, fix any bugs, and make sure the mod runs smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you make the best Minecraft currency mod. With a custom currency system and full economy features, you can add a whole new layer to your Minecraft world. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more modding tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.